Imagine transforming your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. A bathroom remodel can make this dream a reality, but understanding the timeline is crucial. Typically, remodeling your bathroom takes about 3 to 6 weeks. Let's break it down. First up is the design phase, which lasts 1 to 2 weeks. Here you plan layouts and select materials. Next, permits and planning take another 1 to 2 weeks to secure necessary approvals and schedule contractors. Demolition follows, taking 2 to 3 days to clear out old fixtures. Then comes the plumbing and electrical work, requiring 3 to 5 days for new system installations. Fixture installation, including the tub, shower, and vanity, takes 2 to 4 days. Tiling and finishing, which add the final touches, span 4 to 7 days. Finally, a 1 to 2 day inspection ensures everything meets code. Several factors can influence this timeline. The size of the bathroom is a big one. Larger spaces naturally take more time. The scope of the project also matters. Simple updates are quicker than complete overhauls. Material availability can impact timing, especially if custom or specialty items are involved. And existing conditions like unexpected water damage can cause delays, highlighting the importance of thorough initial assessments. To stay on track, thorough planning is essential. This includes detailed design and material selection up front. Ordering materials early can prevent delays due to back orders. Maintain clear communication with your contractor for regular updates and to address any issues promptly. Having a backup plan for potential setbacks is also wise. Hiring a reputable contractor like Steck Realty and Remodeling ensures expertise in managing timelines, permits, and unexpected challenges. For a stress-free bathroom remodel completed on time and within budget, contact Steck Realty and Remodeling at 410-528-3476 or visit our website. Let us bring your dream bathroom to life with our professional and reliable services. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more home improvement tips.